All right, so let's come back to our series on how you can make money online for free, especially with our free traffic system, right? So this is powerful, right? Look, we are affiliate marketers. So that means all we do is to promote other companies' products. And whenever a sale is made, that's when we make money, right? It's just as simple as that. So we just promote other companies' products and wait for the sales to come. Now, I understand a lot of people are having a lot of problems out there right now. They are not making sales. They are having a lot of challenges, especially the brand new beginners, right? And then the gurus are taking advantage of you, right? You know what I mean. The gurus are out there creating very useless and stupid systems just to build their list. That's what they are doing, right? You get me right now. In fact, it's so shameful that right now the gurus are building programs and asking people to join for just $5, and it's just a cash gifting schemes. Imagine that. They are creating cash gifting schemes. They have reduced the good business of affiliate marketing to cash gifting. Right? It's crazy. And they have brought it down to $5. Is that not shameful? How do you expect a brand new beginner to make money with $5, right? He can't even promote. He doesn't even know where to go, but they entice him and deceive him that it's just $5 and he puts his money there and it's gone, right? Look, I'm sorry, but that is what we have in the industry right now. It's so shameful that they have reduced the business to $5 cash gifting. You give me $5, I give you $5. There's no more selling of products anymore, right? And that is so sad. You don't have quality companies like the TeamBuilders program that have high quality products. You don't have it anymore. You just have people cash gifting, right? And then because they want to make it look so simple, they just say it's $5. $5. Look, you want to make $1,000 in a month, right? So how many $5 is that going to be? $200? 200 sales of $5 for you to make $1,000? How does that even make sense? But that's what we have right now, right? It's so shameful. In fact, I don't want to talk about it because I'm really, it's just irritating, right? So look, let's just go on and focus on something serious. Let those who want to mess up their time, because you're just wasting your time. When you promote when you promote systems that have no product, eventually you know what's going to happen. It has happened like 1,000,000 times, right? It's just going to go away, right? Once the cycle ends, it goes away. There's nothing, you see, the main important thing we have to learn when it comes to making money online is we want to promote companies and products. We don't just want to promote cash gifting systems. Yeah, it makes fast money. Fast money, that's what has been happening all over for many, many years, right? Fast money. Who makes the fast money? Nobody, just the gurus. They have the numbers of people they want to deceive. They have thousands of followers, and then once they see that their bank account is going down, they create a cash gifting scheme and just drive all of them there. You can go ahead and do that. Well, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing cash gifting. Look, you can't work on that. We need real companies that create real systems, create real products. And then so that look, if you join a program and then you don't even promote it, right? You could at least use the product. Okay. Now let's even talk about the TeamBuilders program. Now the TeamBuilders program have a lot of software. In fact, they just released a new one for promoting on Facebook, right? They have all these marketing softwares. They have autoresponders. Imagine an autoresponder that costs thousands of dollars over time, but you could get it for free when you are a team builder. How do you like that? Look at that. Let me see what the cash gifting program give you. Nothing. Literally nothing. It's crazy. So if you are not promoting it, you can't use anything in it, right? It's shameful, and it's just so sad that over these years, they are not creating anything. But look at the Team Builders program. They have softwares. They have website builders. They build website for you. Who doesn't need a website? But with the Team Builders, you have a website built for you that you could use to create anything, right? You can use it to promote any business, anything. That's what you need. You need those softwares, right? You need it. Autoresponder sends out, build your list, sends out emails on your behalf. You just think about what you get with a real program. Look at that. Thousands of dollars worth of products. That's what we're talking about here, right? Well, not cash gifting. But I don't really care about those that fall for those nonsense schemes. They can go ahead, keep doing that rubbish, right? We are going to stick to the real companies, right? That's all. And look, the Team Builder is awesome. The Team Builders program, one of the reasons, another thing, apart from all the softwares, they also have coaching programs there where they teach you how to really build a business, how to promote all those things that are taught to you. That's real programs. Software, coaching programs, so many other things they give you for free, even marketing materials, all done for you, reels, videos, everything. That's a real program. I don't like promoting programs that are just cash gifting. And look at, they haven't said you should cash gift at $5. Garbage. Let me tell you what they are doing. They are using you to build their buyer list. That's what they are doing. And they are making money doing that because you will never make money. You don't know how to promote. You don't know how to do all the things. You're just going to give them the $5. Awesome. All right. So look. We have formed a team to build our Team Builders program. So we call it the Team Builders Free Traffic System. It's just a powerful thing like that. So these are a group of marketers who go out there, generate traffic, okay? And then we send all those traffic to your link. So if you decide to join our team today, that is what you get, right? You get us doing all the promotions for you. How is that? How do you like that? How do you like that? Now, so this is 100% done for you system. All right. So, and this is great. It's great for brand new beginners. So instead of you to be cash gifting, you can actually build a business that actually makes sense. You have products, services. That's what you want, not cash gifting. Hey, you give me $5 there, I give you $5 here. That's not what you want, right? How many $5 are you going to make money with, right? It's crazy. But with the Team Builders system, you could earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. And look, by joining our team, we literally build your business for you, right? So we do all the promotions for you. We send all the traffic to your link. We build your email list, which is the most important thing online right now. So you want to build your email list, and that's what we do for you. We literally build your email list for you because as we send in those traffic, your list is being built, right? And then look. This is amazing. With the Team Builders program, which we are promoting, is a done for you system also. So they do the follow up. So we send traffic to your link. The system does the follow up, and I mean they really do the follow up. So look, with the Team Builders program, you don't even need to have any technical skill because they build everything for you, right? They build your website, build your funnel, build your autoresponder. They build all these things for you for free. They do it all for you, right? Now, like I say, with joining us means you don't even need to get traffic. So if you don't want to buy traffic, you don't have to, because our team, we are buying the traffic, sending the links, sending the traffic to your link. And that's powerful, right? So if you don't know how to promote, it doesn't matter when you join our team, because what do? We promote your link for you for free. No, look, nobody does that. We generate the traffic for free. We send it to your link, promote your link for you for free. This is crazy. So if you are, even though you are brand new, or you are a stay-at-home mom, or you're a retired person, or whatever, or you are just too busy with your office work, you don't have time to generate traffic. We do that for you, right? We generate the traffic for you. We follow up with your lead. We do, imagine that, 100% done for you. You don't get that anywhere on a high ticket program. That's crazy, right? So no recruiting required on your part. So you don't have to hey, I don't know how to recruit. It doesn't really matter when you are part of our team. It doesn't matter right now. No. All the excuses are gone, right? I don't know how to generate traffic. Doesn't matter. We generate traffic for you. I don't know how to promote. Doesn't matter. We promote for you. I don't know how to recruit. Ooh, it doesn't matter. We do all that for you. No selling. Well, the Team Builders program, they have a call team. That's powerful, right? They have a call team that calls your lead, and we generate the leads for you, right? And then the call team of Team Builders, they actually call your team, so you don't have to call anybody. You don't have to call anybody, right? And then they close the sale, so you don't have to worry about how to get sales right now, all right? So with this system, there is no experience required on your part, right? And there is no monthly fees. How do you like that? No monthly fees. So there is only a one-time setup fee for the Team Builders program. That doesn't concern our team. For us, we do everything for you for free. But you have to be a team builder before you can join us. So you have to go to Team Builder website through my link, and then once you do that, you pay your one-time setup fee. You must be a permanent team builder to join us. So it's a one-time setup fee. You pay your one-time setup fee. There's no monthly fees. So whether in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, your business is still on, you are not paying any other thing, it's just as final as that, right? That's amazing. And this is worldwide. Now let's put a disclaimer to everything, because there's always a disclaimer. Now, there is no guarantee of sale. So don't come back, Victor, I've not seen sale yet. There is no guarantee of sale, all right? But listen, I am getting sale. Many of the members in our team are getting sales. So your chance of getting sales is very, very high when we promote for you, because we are pushing high quality traffic to your link every day. All right, so this is powerful, okay? So guys, this is amazing. I don't want to waste your time. So what you want to do right now, if you are ready to join our team, okay, is very simple. We don't have any serious requirement from you. So what you want to do, you go to the link in my profile, because you have to join through one of our links, right? And if you are listening to me, that means you need to join through my link, okay? So you go to the link in my profile, click that link, okay, and then put in your name and email, and then you join the Team Builders program. and then you pay that one-time setup fee for the Team Builders program. Once you've done that, and then you become a permanent team builder, then you come back to me. You send me your Team Builders link, all right? And then I'm going to check my back office and see if your name appears. If your name doesn't appear on my back office, that means you are not part of the team. But if your name appears in my back office, then you are part of the team. So for you to avoid missing out, I will highly recommend that you use a brand new email address that you've never used before. You know how all these cookie things work, right? You don't want your name to appear somewhere else. So that you don't miss all these benefits we are going to give to you, all right? So what you want to quickly do, you use a brand new email address that you've never used before, but is working and is ready. Just go to Gmail and do that. Then you now come to the link in my profile or even in the description or in the comment section. Click on that link. Like I said, put in your name and email, okay? And then you join Team Builders program. You pay them a one-time setup fee, no monthly fees. You become a permanent Team Builders, and then you now come back to me and give me your Team Builders link. That's all. It's just as simple as that. Then I'm going to add you to our traffic system, and then we immediately start sending all those traffic to you. So imagine this, right? No traffic needed on your side, no promoting, no recruiting, no selling. And look at the potential of how much you could make. It's a lot, right? So guys, if you have any question concerning our team or concerning the Team Builders program, you can privately DM me, all right? We can talk about it. And if you like this video, what I want from you, click the like button, also click the share button. We really need to share this so that we can help all those people who don't know how to promote, but they want to make money online. We can be of great assistance to them, and you can be the way they can get it. So click the share button so that more people get this information and know that there is help somewhere, so that they stop all this nonsense $5 cash gifting scheme. What do you do with that? There's a lot of difference between $5 and $500. There's a lot of difference between $5 and $1,000. There's a lot of difference between $5 and $2,600. I'm sure you get it, right? You understand what I mean. So go ahead, do that if you want to join my team, or our team rather. But anyway, you're listening to me right now, and if you are, that means you are going to be under my team if you go through my link. Okay, so just go to my profile, click that link, and then join Team Builders, right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.